Hey everyone, we are going to do something on Popplet. So Popplet is a free app. It's Popplet Lite, I believe. Basically, it should be in your, if you have a school device, it should be in your management or manager app, and it will just find the word Popplet, Popplet, Lite, and just whatever is the choice for Popplet, go ahead, download it. For those of you who have your own device, you'll have to make sure you ask a parent to help you, especially if you have a protection on it. You need to do that right now. Get Popplet on your iPad and watch this video so you can know what I would like for you to do for your assignment. So when you go into Popplet, there's an option that says make a new Popplet. That's what you want to do. What do you want to name it? I want you to name this one States of Matter. And then pick a color, whatever you want, and then say make it so. And there we have the title at the top. I also want you guys to put your title right in the beginning, the middle one with the largest text, so make the T the largest possible, and label this States of Matter. Okay, next it's time for you to drag something below it and label this one the first state of matter, one of the states of matter. So you'll do solid and see how you can drag this and reposition it a little bit. No, Charlie, sorry about my dog. Then you can drag another line, and this one we'll name liquid, and I'm going to reposition it like that. And then if I can't find it, I just tap on the states of matter again, drag another line, tap into it so you can type it and drag it wherever you want it to be. See how I can zoom out, I can zoom in. And now I think I need to reposition these like a little better, maybe something like this. Now, if I accidentally add another one and I'm like, uh-oh, I messed up, I don't need that. What I do is I tap on that line and an X comes up, tap on the X. Tap on this black box that I don't need and click the X. Delete that little Popplet right there. So we've got all of these 3 states of matter. Now it's time for me to add my examples. So I want you to give an example of each kind and do not copy mine. You can't use the same examples I use. So tap on the side of somewhere where there's this, wherever the solid is, tap on the side inside of it, make it a little smaller since this is an example. So I'm doing the middle T for the middle size text, so it's not as large. And for my solid, I'm going to say dog bone. Okay, that's a solid. Now for my liquid, I'm going to tap over here, make sure I've got my medium sized text. And for my liquid, I am going to say lemonade. And I need to kind of reposition that so it looks better. There we go. And now I need to go to the gas, and I have used I've actually went to Google just to make sure I got the right name of this. And the gas I am describing is methanol. Okay, you might not be familiar with methanol. It can be a gas and it can be a liquid. But when it's a liquid, it is similar to, it's like gasoline. It is used with gasoline or independently. It's a little bit less expensive to produce than ethanol fuel, if you've heard of ethanol before. Okay, so now it's time for me to get a picture of each one. So I need to tap inside of the dog bone one. And right inside the dog bone, there is an image of a picture. And it says either take photo or open library. I'm going to go ahead and take a photo because I happen to have a picture of a dog bone right here. So there's a chewed up dog bone I'm going to use. I'm going to kind of zoom in there and say use photo. That's the picture right inside there. Now, lemonade. For lemonade, I don't have one, so I need to go to the internet. And I need to type in lemonade. And I need to go to images. And oh, that looks delicious. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that one. I'm going to put add to photos, then back to Popplet. I click on the open library and then I tap right there, choose. There's my lemonade. Last but not least, I need to get methanol. I need to make sure I type in methanol gas, not just methanol, because I don't think it's going to give you a picture of the real gas. If it might be kind of hard to get this as a gas. So I think most of the pictures people have on Google are actually of the fuel. So we'll get the idea. If I save that methanol fuel, we'll know we're talking about the gas form of methanol. I'm going to tap on library, find that picture, click use, and there we go. Now we have a Popplet with my title in the middle, states of matter. I should probably make that bigger so it stands out. Next, I have my 3 types of matter connected to it. And then I have my examples that are branching off of each type of matter. Now, this is important so you know how to save it. You click the word export, and I want you to save JPEG. Save it first. Image has been successfully saved in your photo library. Now, I go to my photo library and I find it, and it's time for me to click the little box with an arrow and click Outlook. And when you click Outlook, then you can type my name. Oh, wait a second. Why am I thinking I don't want all these emailed to me? That's crazy. Instead, you will go to Canvas and you will upload a picture of your Popplet right here to Canvas so that we don't have it all in my email inbox and I could miss something. So if you need any help, let me know.